All right, so I've unboxed the Blink outdoor camera. It comes with the camera and another little box here. A cable. And it looks like there's a charger. I gotta get that stand, man, so I can do real reviews. The instructions are very simple. This is all it tells you to do. So there is I didn't really want to do this, but I'm trying to hold it at the same time. Hold on. Alright, so it just has this. So I got this off Amazon for a good deal. So let's see how this works. One other thing I forgot to tell you. There's a mount right there. So it looks like you could just, I don't know where this goes. There's some screws. And there's some batteries. So let's see if these are lithium batteries. Yep, they are lithium, which means they last for an extremely long time. So let's see how this works. So of course you use the flathead screwdriver. Connect this together. As you can see right here, there's a USB and there's a reset button. And then there's a QR code as well. So the USB connection, I don't know what that's for, but that's 9 times out of 10. Maybe it's used to recharge the lithium batteries, but I don't think lithium is rechargeable. They last for 2 years. So this must be something for data transfer or something. I don't know. Yeah, I know. I got everything in shambles. That's the thing when you move, and nowadays it takes on damn near a year. So I'm gonna wait till my son wakes up to mount this because I want him to see this, so he can start using, getting more manual. I still got to use this to, get my old school put together. That's a project in itself. My wife, I think, went on Temu. She went somewhere and she got a whole kit for the grill. And you get, man, I never figured out how to use these. I always mess them up, but that's something that I'm gonna have to work on. But I'm gonna see if I can find out where she got this from. But you get like the whole kit. Every man needs to have a tool set, man. I got a few pieces, but I need to really build it. The next house I buy, I'm gonna really focus on an area with the tool set. I've had this for a number of years. This is something that I used in my IT set. And this right here, you can see I've had this for almost 20 years. I'll never get rid of it. As it's falling apart, I might actually get a 3D printer to redo this. And this is my old Black & Decker. And this is another drill that I have. So, I be doing little stuff too. So I'll show y'all the end result of, like I said, it comes with this little piece here. So far, I kind of like what it's done. So I'm gonna give you a little preview. Screws for the screwdriver. Pliers. You hold them. Pliers. Bits. A level. Hold it. It's a level. Okay, what's in this whole bag? That's a level. That's the measure. It's a level. Yep. So here it is. I went ahead and installed it. It basically gets every single reaction, and it basically tells if somebody's walking. Damn, it says right here, it says a person is walking on the pathway holding a cell phone. So it uses AI to tell people what's going on, and it sends it right to my phone. So I'm gonna do the whole little mini review in a minute.